Welcome back to all the viewers and subscribers. Yeah man, it's another day on the farm. Today, what we're going to do today is we're going to make a proper Jamaican breakfast. It's a popular breakfast in Jamaica. It's none other than the tin mackerel and fried dumpling. Yeah man, but before we make the breakfast, what we're going to do, we're going to rebuild our hut because we don't have any shade on the farm. The other day, the storm passed through and the storm mashed down the hut, so we are going to just build back the hut real quick and fast, and then we are going to make the breakfast. Yeah, but before we get into it, if you're not a subscriber to my channel, just hit the subscription button real quick. Yeah man, show some support. One love. Let's get it chopping. See it now, we have a brand new stove, We had a 1 burner stove, so now we have a 2 burner stove. So the pot then can cook much faster. Man, see it there? Biggs have set up the 2 burner stove, And then, make sure you leave a comment for my stove, I like my new stove. Biggs, you are going light only one I burner them, We're not using 2 burner right now. Light one. Yes, people, the work are go on, but right now, we are going to make some tea. Right now we have some vervine and we have some fever grass, As a yard, we always start off with a cup of tea, Yeah man, mama always give a cup of tea at morning time. Yeah man, look on the broom over here. So you see the broom over here, you see for the kitchen? Most of them who born after the blurt, after the audience. Or yet, 90s. Anybody born in the 90s don't know nothing about the broom, You see they see for the kitchen?
No, I'm millennial, don't know them.
Yeah man, they sweep out the kitchen, Look on the broom, catch the broom. You see the broom?
Sweep!
Yeah man.
Great, you want to talk about tea? Fever grass.
Yeah man, fever grass and vervine,
Yeah man,
yeah, man. Alright. Yeah man, this is a good for every all illness. Right now, this instead of the vervine, doctor researchers show say it cure corona.
Lift up your pen too.
Yeah man, lift up your old pen. Like you mark up the board. Your old vervine.
Calabash.
Yeah man, vervine fever grass tea. And this man come in with in cup. The sugar now going out, Vital is? Vital. Alright, Raymond. You want sugar style?
I love sugar.
Yeah? No man, we are getting bush style today. You going to do that, Raymond?
Yeah man.
Alright, right now it's the Rasta cup here, Real old bushman style. Yeah. Little vervine tea in the morning, That style, you see I work with the butter pan?
Yeah man.
Alright.
Biggs! Sound like that touch somewhere.
Yeah man, Raymond is sipping vervine over there, sir.
Yeah man.
Yeah man.
Big up man. Big up.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah man, my G. Alright.
Yeah, sugar over here.
Yeah man. What kind of sugar man? No sugar going out, man.
Man say a bush light.
Yes, vervine tea. Yes. Yeah man, I eat man. Boom, fireball. People, we're going to start the fried dumpling process now and the tin mackerel for breakfast. So right now, we have the ingredients we are going to want. Some cornmeal, some flour, some baking powder. We have onion, tomato, and scotch bonnet pepper, and a great old tin mackerel. Alright, so we're going to get it chopping now. Just stay tuned. Alright, now I'm going to measure baking powder. Just have shown some baking powder because you know for do it thing, When you dumpling them nice and soft, so you put in a good amount of baking powder in the flour. Dumpling them. People make them dumpling a different shape and size, so me like my dumpling them like this, simple and round. Simple flour me make. And the oil, I go and have me to put some garlic in the oil. Yeah. My assistant chef come back. Let me pick up the assistant on the camera and make people see him. Prep chef.
You might call me. Prep chef, no? Alright. Alright, you know. Alright.
After we are kitchen, we cooking bread.
We who? You can't have hot water, Bigs. Not even water you can't have.
Touch man.
You better than who?
Touch man.
Alright.
Touch man, burn up water over there.
It's a such man burn up water?
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
You give your water be hot when you make it boil up. So we are saying, you don't know nothing about cooking, Rasta. Nobody will.
And the hot water hot and you make it boil, eh?
Yeah, man. What the temperature we want then?
You say the boil is still hot, Bigs?
Yeah, boy. Yeah, we supposed to get the temperature, man.
Flour then they are frying up. So you turn them, you know. You know, and then get them burn up, you know.
Golden brown, you want to know?
Golden brown, you say, chef?
Yeah, man, golden brown.
Alright, my boss. Right now, this is a skill, you know, and everybody can cook fried dumpling out of dope and wood fire. Because you burn up, you can control the fire, you know. Yeah, man, real way, see there? Olive oil, right now I put some olive oil in the pot. Yeah, man, because we are going to eat the oil, so I use olive oil or coconut oil to cook with. So the aim for the dumpling, them, see there? Golden brown. So that's how I take out the dumpling and put in the next set.
Tin boom.
Brother.
Yes, wagwan.
Man, yo, man, hungry now, chef.
You hungry?
Yeah, man.
Gonna have ear pie and nothing pudding, man.
Yo, yeah, me, man. Man, hungry, brother.
Food so ready, Michi.
Alright, brother.
Bigs!
From 5:30, man,
You
me on
good?
the farm, you know.
No, I want you. You hungry?
See it there?
Boy, me put in 2 extra.
Alone.
That's why me come first.
Why we can come first?
Because I want first bigs.
Yeah?
Them the 16th floor, they are bigs alone, brother. Yeah, man.
This is what I'm going to eat my food off of. Banana leaf. Real bushman style. Yeah, as soon as it's quailed, I'm ready, the banana leaf won't tear it easy, can fall. Alright, so that's the quailing process, people. So I'm going to plate ready. Yes, people, breakfast ready. Tin mackerel there with okra. Dumpling nice, golden brown over here, so see it there? Yeah, man, so we'll share the food, you know? Yeah, man. Come in, Dan.
No eye krill, no eye krill. No eye krill. Technical gravy, man.
Yeah, man, can't look at gravy and ready if you don't want the mackerel. How much fly you want, Biggs?
1 dozen.
1 dozen? Well, if you get a dozen fly and you have half an hour trouble over here.
When the pan diet,
If
so
we
one
never doesn't
doesn't
flow,
have to
what we get?
The beaten.
My big Sam, here run competition today, no?
Accept me, Kevin.
For 12, eh?
one dozen.
Dozen.
Yo, a big this you know.
I'm disappointed.
Disappointed.
Watch it, television will come in and my send check.
Oh, Leroy?
Good, yeah man.
Yeah, man, you don't play it in contest, Bigs and Leroy.
Where's the man so they can beat the bigs and you know that's a joke talk.
Point up.
What if I work go on and we are going to enjoy breakfast now? Artist, everything good?
Yeah man, everything up man. From the farm, you know?
Which is right.
Natural vibe.
Yeah, man. Real man. So I'm waiting, Mackerel.
I don't know where they are, man. Disappear.
Mackerel disappear.
See there? I deal with them thing then.
Hey, you hate Mackerel? Alright, sir. Farmer Reaper. So how comes you got down to 2 floor?
You know, say Bigs me a race with.
I race with Bigs.
Yeah, man.
So you think you can beat Bigs?
Me a try.
Yeah, try.
Yeah, man.
Blacks,
Yeah, man.
breakfast good? Alright.
Dumpling and tin lobster.
Tin lobster. Tin tuna.
Get a lobster and flour.
Yes, sir. Get a tuna and flour. Alright. Star boy, you know. Real big man.
Can smart plate, yes.
Yes, sir. I small plate this today. Yes, sir. Later I must see big plate.
Later, also, unleash monster.
Yes, sir. Unleash monster.
Yeah. Appetizer.
Yes, appetizer this Bigs.
Yeah, man.
Alright, my boss. See there? Fried dumpling and tin bomb. Thank you guys very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share it with a family and member or a friend. Leave a comment, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget, feed the body that work the money. Hope you enjoy. Boom.